What's up guys, Romsko here, back with another review, the show where we find out whether you should buy a shoe made with recycled waste from the ocean, accompanied with the comfort of the best running shoe in the world, or not. And of course the answer is obviously yes, but let's take a look at why. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and press that bell for notifications of future videos. Follow me on all social media, linked down below, and let's get right into the box. So the shoes we're talking about here come in this regular boost box that is found in every single Ultra Boost box that there is, just a yellow regular box. And on the inside, of course, we have the shoes. We also have some not so exclusive content given in the box when you tap the heel or scan this QR code. If you're interested in what it is, check the link in the description. So this is the newly released Parley Ultraboost. This is the third time Adidas has collaborated with Parley to make shoes that have material from recycled waste from the ocean. The company Parley takes waste from the ocean and recycles it into material that can be further used to produce other products such as this shoe. The first time is the Parley Ultraboost 3.0 that was in the ocean blue colorway. The second time was the Adidas CS1 City Sock in the white turquoise colorway, and this is the third time with the light gray, dark gray, turquoise colorway in the 4.0 Ultra Boost model. At first glance of the shoe, I definitely think that this shoe looks a lot cooler than the original 3.0 Parley Ultra Boost due to the color, because it's so much more subtle than that ocean blue and can fit with many more outfits than that colorway. So this shoe has pretty much all the same features as a regular Ultra Boost, other than the fact that it's made with recycled waste from the ocean, which is not only reducing the waste that's made its way to the ocean, but it's also a way to reuse that material to build new products, and in this case, a beautiful running shoe. So this is what the shoe looks like in optimal lighting conditions. Really clean looking shoe, and the turquoise accents really show up thanks to the main dark gray color of the upper. Like all Ultra Boost models, the tip of the sole has the Adidas logo, and the edge of the toe box has a stiffer prime knit than the rest of the shoe for durability and to keep its shape. Starting with the upper, we have a full prime knit shoe, which means a perfect balance between flexibility and stability, with regular prime knit infused with Parley yarn, which is made from recycled ocean plastic. The two colors balance very well together and has this line pattern that shows the contour of the foot. As I said before, this is the Ultra Boost 4.0 model, so there should be a distinct hole pattern on the toe box. However, because of the unique line pattern, those holes become invisible. Even when you're close up to the shoe, you can barely see those holes, so you get to enjoy the fully covered toe box look, but still have the benefit of breathability. Moving up to the cage, the forefront has this shiny nylon plastic material on top. As for the surrounding edges and on the underside of the cage is this plastic material that feels like rubber, but I feel like it's a mix between rubber and plastic. Also, you can see how the nylon material is sewn onto the plastic cage itself in the iconic 3 stripes pattern. It definitely looks way better than the average plastic cage seen in most Ultra Boosts. This nylon material on top makes the shoe look much more premium and high quality. As for the laces, we have some flat black laces that are a bit puffy and have a subtle blue accent to them. It's almost unnoticeable, but it gives off a navy vibe when far away. As for the tongue, we have this white Parley Adidas badge that's made with the same material as seen on NMD heel tabs. But this material is much sturdier and is a great choice by Adidas because you can string your laces through the tab so the logo is still visible. I personally think that this is a really dope design choice from Adidas. Next, let's move on to the heel cuff, which is probably the most interesting part of the shoe. It has a turquoise base color, and there are turquoise threads that move in the same direction as the heel cuff, making layers. We saw this in the Parley Ultraboost 3.0 before, but I still think that it's an interesting design choice to make the cuff as it is. I'm not sure if it was a design choice, but some of the lines from the upper to the heel match up, and it kinda makes the shoe come together really well. It definitely is the most eye-catching part of the shoe since it's the brightest, and it doesn't have the standard Ultra Boost stamp on it. As for the inside of the shoe, everything is still the standard quality you'd expect from all Ultra Boost. You have cushions on all sides, and with the addition of a tighter shoe opening, it hugs your ankles more so that you pretty much don't even have to worry about laces and tightening. we have a metallic Boost logo on the tongue with the tag, and we also have the new Boost logo in this cloud font on top of the turquoise insole, with the bottom being standard with cushioning and weight distribution, as well as the Adidas logo on the medial side. And the inside of the shoe has no extra materials other than the standard sole layer between the Boost and your foot. And last but not least, we of course have the full Boost midsole, providing most of the comfort of wearing this shoe. Underneath is the classic Continental outer sole, providing good traction for all terrains. And enforcing the entire stability of the shoe is the torsion system built into the middle of the foot. At the back of the heel, there is a good portion of the outer sole sticking out because the heel is always where the shoe wears out first. So with a thicker sole, the lifetime of the shoe is increased. So would I recommend this shoe to you guys? Absolutely. Not only does it look good and feel good, it's also repurposing the waste that's made its way to our oceans and reusing it and recycling that material to make this shoe right here. It's a win-win situation for everybody, except your wallet, but it'll definitely be worth it in the long run. If you don't already own a pair of Ultraboost, I definitely recommend this to be your first pair. Not only does it look great on hand and on feet, most importantly, it feels great on your feet. You can wear this with any outfit and it'll still look dope. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully I gave you all the information that you needed to know about the shoe and all the details that you wanted to see before buying this shoe. I personally am really happy that there are companies out there making a difference by recycling the waste that's seen in oceans and making them and recycling them to make newer products like this. But let's be real here. We gotta keep our oceans clean because it's really doing some damage to the animals and to ourselves. So let's work hard and make our environment clean again. Thanks for tuning in, like and subscribe to see more videos, and don't forget to press that bell to see notifications of future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.